In a dramatic turn of events, Chief Justice John Roberts has temporarily paused a midnight deadline to return a Maryland man wrongly deported to one of El Salvador's most dangerous prisons. The order comes just hours after the Justice Department filed an emergency appeal, arguing that a lower court had overstepped its authority. At the heart of this unfolding legal battle is Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a 29-year-old Salvadoran national who had been living in the United States legally, working as a sheet metal apprentice and pursuing his journeyman license. He held a valid work permit from the Department of Homeland Security. His wife is a U.S. citizen. Despite these facts, Garcia was abruptly detained by immigration agents and deported last month, in direct violation of a 2019 court order that barred his removal due to the high risk of persecution by violent gangs in his home country. U.S. District Judge Paula Shinnis had demanded that the government facilitate Garcia's immediate return, describing his deportation as wholly lawless and based on little more than vague, uncorroborated allegations of gang affiliation. No criminal charges have ever been filed against him. The Justice Department's appeal, submitted to the Supreme Court, claims that the U.S. government no longer has custody of Garcia and cannot force a foreign country to release him, calling the judge's order patently unlawful. The Solicitor General labelled it part of a deluge of unlawful injunctions, allegedly aimed at stalling the Trump administration's immigration agenda. The situation is made even more complex by the administration's assertion, without clear evidence, that Garcia was affiliated with the notorious MS-13 gang. His attorneys firmly deny the accusation, and Judge Shinnis found no credible support for the claim. The Federal Appeals Court in Richmond, Virginia, refused to grant a stay, with Judge J. Harvey Wilkinson writing bluntly, "There is no question that the government screwed up here." Even within the Justice Department, the deportation raised alarms. A DOJ lawyer conceded in court that Garcia should not have been deported and was subsequently removed from the case and placed on leave by Attorney General Pam Bondi. As legal experts watch closely, this case raises critical questions about the limits of executive power, the authority of federal courts, and the rights of immigrants under U.S. law. And with the Supreme Court now involved, the outcome could have far-reaching consequences. For now, Kilmar Abrego Garcia remains behind bars in a foreign prison, caught in a legal and political firestorm far from home. Subscribe to our channel to get such latest news.